Having difficulty sleeping due to your partner's snoring? Introducing the Stop Snoring Mouthguard. This simple and easy-to-use mouthguard is clinically proven to eliminate snoring. The Stop Snoring Mouthguard works by holding the jaw in a comfortable forward position, keeping your airway more open and clear. All you need to do is place the mouthguard in hot water for about 30 seconds. Rinse off the excess water and simply place it in your mouth. After a few seconds, the Stop Snoring Mouthguard will mold to your mouth to fit perfectly. The Stop Snoring Mouthguard will enhance airflow, which allows for deep, restful breathing. Less snoring means better sleep for everybody. Order yours today.